going on, guys? This is Chris from Unbox Addiction. So I went ahead and got me an Apple Watch Series 3. This thing was originally released in 2017, but as you can see here on Apple's website, they're actually still selling them brand new for about $200. I bought one used for myself, and then I bought a new one for my wife. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of the brand new one that I bought my wife, just so you can get an idea of what it comes with. I'm not going to go through specs and this and that and the other, because this product was released in 2017. There are plenty of videos already out there by people who can do it better than me. This is the 42mm case, space gray model. Let me go ahead and get this plastic wrapping off. And we're going to pull it out. Bear with me, people. I'm holding the camera in one hand and trying to do this with another. Usual, designed by Apple in California. I'm going to pull that part out. That probably just has all the documentation. There's the Apple Watch itself with the sports band. As you know, you can customize the bands, get more traditional watch bands, Velcro strap bands, anything you like, whether they're made by Apple or not. I saw a lot of third-party ones a lot cheaper on Amazon, so I may check that out. I'm just going to put that down for a second. And like I said, I assume it's just the usual documentation that all Apple products come with, but we shall see. Almost there. There we go. Alright, so yeah, the top part's just the usual, documentation about the Apple Watch and whatnot. How to put the band on, how to put the straps on the watch itself. And let's go ahead and open this up. And it does have another smaller wristband for those who may have a smaller wrist. But the default one that it comes with might be too big for. You can use this one. And then here's the little puck that you saw earlier in the video. This is just to charge and sync up the Apple Watch. Alright, so here's my model, the one that I bought used. As you can see, it had some scratches on it and some dust on it, but I'll just clean that off later. Let's go ahead and set this up. And here you have to scan this with your iPhone. There we go. And updates available, so let's go ahead and update it now since I'm setting this up. Now it's updated. We're going to set the Apple Watch. You can tell it which wrist you want to wear it on. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. The usual terms and agreements. Yeah, I agree. Signing into your iCloud account. And then some things that Apple's asking you to set up. And yes, because I'm looking at a small screen, yes, I'm going to make these things bold. Create my password. I'll get to all this setting up activity part later. I did set up Apple Pay and heart rate notifications. There's just a few questions that's going to ask you when you do set up an Apple Watch. Then I just have mine mirroring the apps on my phone, so it's just easier for me. Then I just gotta wait for it to sync, and that's that. Just go ahead and press the crown to get to all my apps and everything. That's the default watch face. I'm about to go in here and change mine in a minute. As usual, Apple documentation and blah, blah, blah. Alright, so you go to Watch app, which is automatically downloaded on your phone when you activate your Apple Watch. Here's just some of the faces that are available. Just scroll down. Nice, decent little selection of watch faces you can choose. I'm sure if you have the newer models, it probably has even more watch faces to select. I'm just going to go with this. You can choose the color palette that you want. And there you go. This is Chris from Unbox Addiction. If you like these videos, please watch, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, well, I appreciate you watching anyways. You guys take care.